Good morning students. The next CET question is alkene X and the molecular formula C5H10 on ozonolysis gives a mixture of two carbonyl compounds, one is Y and Z. Among these positive Fehling test, it means gives Fehling test and iodoform test both. The compound Z not gives Fehling test but gives iodoform test. Here the compound XYZ are they are asking. Now I have to find among these which is the right one. See, observe here, Fehling's test, the carbonyl compounds among aldehydes and ketones. Ketones do not give Fehling's test, aldehydes gives Fehling test, that gives red color. Now ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬೈಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಫೆಹ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಫೆಹ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಫೆಹ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಫೆಹ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ aldehydes shows Fehling test, ketones do not shows Fehling test. Okay, Fehling test means aldehydes. The compound Y ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, Y it shows it should be aldehyde. Y ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಆಗಿರಬಾರದು. Then observe the compound Z not gives Fehling test. Not gives means the compound Z should not be aldehyde. Aldehyde ಆಗಿರಬಾರದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ketone ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. It means it should be ketone. Then but gives iodoform test. Iodoform test ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. So the aldehydes and ketones both shows iodoform test. Those having alpha hydrogens ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಕಾರ್ಬೈಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ iodoform test ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. either it may be aldehyde, ketone, doesn't matter. Okay, now observe in this, the first option is C6H5COCH3. Here the given compound alkene is containing C5H10 at 5 carbons and 10 hydrogens, but observe here 6 carbons is there and CO and CH, so that this is not in a alkene. ಇದು alkene ಅಲ್ಲ, carbonyl ketone ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ the option 1 is totally neglected because that is not right option. Here they given ketone but they said here alkene, right? This is not an alkene, so option A is totally wrong. Now coming to option B, this is an alkene, this is also alkene, and C is alkene. All these are alkenes. Observe C5H10, 5 carbons are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are there, right? Now observe this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 only there here. 4 carbons will be there, so that this is also totally wrong. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 carbons. This is primary, butene, 1 butene, this is 2 butene. That is only the difference. Totally these two are wrong. The given alkene containing 5 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5 carbons. After ozonolysis, here bond is broken. One option here, one option here. You get this one, CH3CHO and CH3CO and CH3. See, compound Z should be what? Ketone. This is what? Ketone. This is aldehyde. Y should be aldehyde. This shows both Fehling test as well as iodoform test, and this shows only iodoform test, not Fehling test, because due to the presence of ketone. Like that we are analyzing. Okay, so this is the 10th question. Now take the next one. Observe the next question is study the following reaction sequence of the reaction and identify the compounds X and Y. We have to be identify the compound X and Y by studying this following reaction. Observe here, this is called what? Toluene. C benzene ring, CH, this is what? Toluene. This toluene and chlorination you get a compound X which is on reading with water at 373 Kelvin, you get a compound Y. Now we have to be identify the compound X and Y. Here the first one option is given benzolide. This chlorine on reading with, this toluene and reading with chlorine, we get benzolide here the given. So you know the structure of benzolide, that is this one. Benzene and here one CHO group. You never oxidize it when we are treating with chlorine. This is called side chain chlorination of reaction. When toluene is reacts with chlorine, you get side chain chlorination. Observe here there is 3 hydrogens. 3 hydrogens out of 3, 1 hydrogen is react with chlorine. You get HCl liberated, minus HCl, and in place of X you get a compound of the type this one, benzene bond. One hydrogen and Cl becomes HCl, remaining CH2 bond Cl. Then which is on hydrolyzing, means treating with water, you get the benzene bond. The Cl becomes CHO plus HCl. One hydrogen and one chlorine become HCl, and this oxygen is added here, you get CHO. You get this compound. Here benzodiazide and here benzyl chloride. This is called benzoyl chloride. Benzyl chloride, sorry, not benzoyl. Benzyl chloride, this one, and this is called benzodiazide. So option D is right. Here this is called 2-chlorotoluene. When we are treating with chlorine, you never get here chlorine at this case, because the substitution will not occur, rather than side chain chlorination will be takes place. So this is the way to identify the chemical reaction. And after treating with water, you never get benzoic acid here. Okay, similarly here not get benzoic acid, here also not get benzoic acid. Means here dichloro is there, but here chlorine is not removed. Like that we have to be identify the compound. Which one is right? Now take next one. Observe, the next question is the oxidation of toluene to benzaldehyde by chromyl chloride reagent is called what? You know, the chromyl chloride reagent is called as etol reagent. Chromyl chloride means CrO2, chromyl chloride. This the chromyl chloride is CrO2Cl2 in presence of acid. This is called chromyl chloride. Sorry, I forget that. So that it is difficult to recall the CrO2Cl2. You should remember the reagents. This is the etol reagent, chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2. I forget the molecular formula. So I recall this one, CrO2Cl2 and presence of acid. This is called chromyl chloride reagent. Chromyl chloride, its name, it is the reagent of etol reaction. In the oxidation of toluene, by putting this chromyl chloride CH3, which is CrO2 Cl2 in acidic condition, directly oxidizes into what? Benzaldehyde, CHO. So this reaction is called as etol reaction. They said this one. So the right option is etol. And you know, in Reimer-Dimer reaction, we are treating toluene with chlorine, you get dichlorotoluene, means here chlorine, benzyl chloride, like that you get. When come to dichlorotoluene, that means on treating with base, you get diol, which is an oxidizing, you get aldehyde. It takes more than 2 steps, means nearly take 3 steps, that is called Reimer-Dimer reaction. Okay, important. Then next one, Woods reaction. This Woods reaction takes place by alkyl halides. Okay, so here we are studying in aldehydes and ketones, so definitely this is not an answer. Then Cannizzaro reaction. This Cannizzaro reaction is nothing but preparation of aldehydes. Here that is not. Okay, in this Cannizzaro reaction you get one is the aldehyde, not aldehyde, one is alcohol, and one more is carboxylic acid, like COO, salts of carboxylic acid, that is sodium or potassium. That is called Cannizzaro reaction, right? Aldehydes that do not containing alpha hydrogen, those only reactions and gives these 2 compounds, that is the Cannizzaro. So here the right one is etol reaction. You can answer within a second if you know the etol reagent. Okay, so these are the some CET questions. Later we will study some more conceptual questions from these chapters in the next videos.